Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix network lag and high ping on your Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your network is lagging or high ping on your Roblox, then I'll show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to close the unwanted applications from the taskbar which are using your high internet. For that, you have to just right click on the start menu, then click on task manager, or else you can press Ctrl Alt Delete to open this task manager and select the application which the internet data is consuming very much. For example, suppose if this application is consuming very high data on your desktop or laptop, just right click on that, then click on end task. Like this, you have to find the other applications and close that applications and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. Or else you can block your antivirus temporarily and check, because due to antivirus these problems may occur. For blocking the antivirus, here you will find drop down icon. In this, you have to find your antivirus, right click on that, then here you will find stop temporarily or block your antivirus. After blocking, check. Hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then this may be occur your poor internet connection, because if you are using your Wi-Fi and your desktop or laptop is far away from the router, and you can face this type of issues. So the better option is to use a wired network. Just connect the LAN cable from your router to your desktop or laptop and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, click on this search menu, then type here Windows Defender Firewall. You can see here Windows Defender Firewall. Click on this, click on advanced settings. Here you will find inbound and outbound rules. First we will click on inbound rules, then click on new rule, then click on port, click on next, select the UTP, select the second option specific local port, then enter the port number 49512-65535. After that, just click on next. You have to check mark this option, allow the connection, and click on next. Check all these three options, click on next, create the name, Roblox inbound rule, then click on finish. And you have to do same for the second outbound rule also. Click on outbound rules, click on new rule, select the port, click on next, select the UDP, enter the port same number 49512-65535, then click on next, then click on block the connection, click on next, click on next, then type here outbound, then click on finish. After doing this, just close this window and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then this may be because of your Roblox server is down. For that, you have to confirm from the browser. Just status.roblox.com, open the browser and just enter this website status.roblox.com and check if there is any server down of your Roblox. If there is any server down, so you have to wait until it resolves automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix network lagging or high ping on your Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.